Hello everyone, welcome to another Phase 5 video. So today we're going to be looking at the E sound, and we can make the E sound using an E and an A, E and A to make the E sound. So let's start with doing some reading. But before we do that, we need to warm up those robot hands. So, show me your robot hands. Wind them up. Keep changing direction so they keep getting warm. Do a Mexican wave. Shake. And do some air punches. Fantastic. So the first word, make sure those robot hands are ready, is T-E. Tea. What is a tea? Tea, as you might be able to see, is a hot drink. It's something that your grown-ups might drink, or you might drink of an evening. The next word is meal. What is a meal? What is your favourite meal of the day? A meal is a plate of food, and you might have 3 meals a day. They're the big main meals that you might eat in the day. And my favourite meal is dinner, because you get to be very creative and there's lots of different dinners that you can make. Peas. Do you like peas? This could be part of your favourite meal. Dream. What's a dream? What's the last dream you had? And leaf. Have you been able to see lots of the lovely new leaves that are growing on the trees and plants during springtime? Okay, time to do some writing. Let's warm up those writing hands. Squeeze. Squeeze your wrist with each finger, swapping as you move across, including those pinkies. Fantastic. Give them a wiggle. Shake, 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 shake. And they're warm. Okay, I'm going to sound out some words for you and you're going to write them down. So the first word is leaf. Leaf. The next word is dream. Dream. Can you write peas? Peas. And can you write tea? Now that you have done some fantastic writing of these E words, we're going to put one of them into a sentence. So have a look carefully at the words that we have written and read throughout this video and choose one to make a sentence. I have written a sentence using one of the E words. My sentence says, I had a dream about unicorns. Good luck with your sentence and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.